Hey guys, in today's video I want to teach you how to fold a crow. This is how it looks like. These are the little claws and it has like a curved beak, and I made it face up with like a little fold there, and these are the large legs of them, and this is technically the position that they're doing. Let's go and fold. This is the paper that I'm gonna use. Remember, it has to be square sheeted, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use the color blue. I have no black in this, that's why. Okay, so right now we're gonna start off with a rally fold. This point to that point. Like that. Then we're gonna fold this point to that point. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this point to that point, but like down, so like that. Or you could just rotate the paper and fold it upwards. It's up to you. And fold and turn over and repeat. That point to that point, like that. And sharpen the crease. Unfold. Then like do a squash fold, like open the pocket there and squash. And turn over and repeat. So you could just put your hand in the pocket and there, or a finger if the paper is too tiny. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this edge to that center crease, like that. Sharpen. Okay, so now this crease to that crease. I mean this edge to that crease. Okay, so now fold this triangle over like this. Like those two lines like that. Sharpen it as well and unfold those. And now like we're gonna like open the pocket and use these three creases that we made. So like we're gonna open the pocket and fold it over this crease like that, and bring these two flaps together down like that. Like that. And like that. Okay, so we're gonna fold it down, turn over, and repeat. So this edge to that crease and sharpen, and this edge to that crease. Okay, so now we're gonna repeat the same movement that we did in the other side. We're gonna fold this triangle over these two little lines like that. So we're like technically gonna reverse fold the crease. Open it and open like this pocket over this crease like that. And then fold the two flaps down there. like that. Fold it down and then back up. Turn over and back up. And then we're gonna like make, this is our bird base, and we're gonna try to make sure that we're like making a crane, but not exactly a crane. We're just gonna fold these two flaps. Like we're gonna fold this sides down to that edge. And repeating the other side. And repeating the back and the back as well once you finish. So these two creases to these two edges to the edge. And there. And then we're gonna like fold this down with those 2 points like that. And we're gonna fold this point down to that like thingy, the middle part. And sharpen it. And then unfold everything. And like that. And we're gonna reverse fold that square that we made. So pinch the creases. Like that. And then fold it like out, not in like this, out like this. And then we fold everything back. Okay, so we were here. And now we're gonna fold this down like that to make the squared back and to make the wings. Okay. So now we're gonna like make a crane, the crane neck and the crane tail, but they're technically gonna be like the legs. So like that. Turn over and repeat in the for as the other leg. Like that. And it must look like that. Okay, so now we're gonna like turn over it, and this is how it must look like, and fold this edge to that edge like that. But like when you do that, you want to make sure to open this pocket and like reverse fold it, I don't know, like, and like that. And repeat in the other side. Like open that pocket a little and like that. And then turn over and open that pocket like that. Like that. And repeat. Pocket down in there. And now we're gonna like open a little, like in the corner, and like open these flaps a little, and there. And then we're gonna like bunny ear fold it like that. And we're gonna like and we're gonna like squash it a little and like fold it in half like that to make the claws of the crow. Okay, now we did that, and we're gonna repeat that with the other leg. So open like the corner, like a little bit in the corner to fold the cloth like that. Bunny ear fold it like that. Squash it a little, fold it in half, and there. And there we have the claws. So now we're gonna like shape it, because here we have this for the actual crow as the leg. So we're gonna fold this backwards a little and fold it, like squash it like that to make like a little triangle there, and then fold it back there and there, and so like open the pocket like the little like that, and repeat that on the other side. Like that. And that's how you make the legs. Okay, so now that we're done with the legs of the crow, we're gonna work on the head. So we're gonna fold this down like that, hold it back up, and unfold that, and unfold these pockets a little, and reverse fold those creases, so like this. Like that, and fold it back up. And so like when you do that, leave these like that, and like leave it here and close. Now that we did that, we're gonna fold it back in half and fold the beak like a little bit separated. So there we could have that, and we're gonna reverse fold the beak a little like that to shape it. And there. So now that we have that, we're gonna like open it again and fold this with that point there, and like a little bit with that point like that, and repeating the other side. So here's that point and a little bit to that point, so we could shape the head a little. And there, because the neck was too long to make it facing up, we're gonna fold this there, fold this like that, and fold it a little, like open it a little bit upwards like that, and fold it like reverse fold that there, and reverse fold that like that there. Okay, so now we're gonna make the tail. We're just gonna like make a little push like that, and open and send it up a little, and like make the leg go a little more, one leg go a little backwards. Okay, so now we're gonna like fold this back down like that, and again in the other side.
and there. So this is how like the legs look like here. That's how it looks like from there. And from here, it has like a little hole there. And that's how it looks like from inside the body there. And these are the creases for the tail. We also have like the belly shape there, like a little curved. And yeah. And there are the like little things, the claws. And there you have a crow.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and click the subscribe button and the notification bell to activate the notifications. Bye.